snow is nice, man. We're about to have a good time with this tube. I gotta put the garage key away before I lose it. Ugh. All right, here we go.
Been over, then I'm murdered. Pop gunner if you want your burger. Oh baby, you be lying your verses. I be hearing say you buying them purses. I can't even lie, you ain't my type, you ain't even know that's fine in person. I can guarantee you if you my kind, she got every bag you can imagine. Big house, I can really be bragging. 100,000 in my mouth, I was sad, and not the big cheat. That's embarrassing. He ain't me, you can keep the comparison. My bitch probably one of the baddest. Good girl, turn into a savage. This bitch got a problem in traffic. We can't do it, matching G-Wagon. Low key, I been keeping it classy. Could be really out here doing them nasty. Niggas couldn't even see me in last year. Just started and them niggas in asking. I ain't even tried to and I passed them. Giving looks, I contribute to fashion. Drop a song, I be giving them caps. Stand alone, I be ready to rap. Brand new car is noisy. Come through and it's rolling. You ain't gotta worry, don't care about your boyfriend. See me and get nervous, I damn near did it perfect. Work hard and determined, it's safe to say I earned it. Whoa, yeah. None of you guys can flash me, whoa. Matter of fact, none of you guys can hide me, whoa. Post my drip up daily just so they can see, whoa. Turn me on some more so my haters can hear, whoa.
Ball for me first. We just, yeah, we could just bang it back with a hammer.
Yeah, I figured. It felt pretty normal though, right?
Yeah.
It doesn't even look like it's that bad.
Felt fine.
Yeah. No, I'm saying because like the bend don't even look that bad. You see the smoke?
Yeah. It's from the.
He's cold. Fucking bad bitch. Yeah, in fact. Pretty sure the seat got lifted, which is sexy.
A little bit.
So we're about to change that with an all gold Punisher logo full.
Yo, I was looking at shit. I gotta show you later. Last night, it's just snow melting and hitting the engine. Yeah. I gotta show you. Last night I was looking at all like, the shit I'm gonna do to my bike. Like, I was getting like pegs, levers, bars.
Wait, I want pegs too. I didn't know they made pegs for dirt bikes.
On the back? Like
chain guide, a skid plate, a wrap, a different plastics. It's like I just have everything listed out.
I want to do that shit too. You gotta put me on
my bike build. I'm gonna get Electron carb.
Where can I look for shit like that? Like what I could change on my bike?
Motorsport, and then you put in the year, model, and
that's fire. I might make this all black.
That would be tough.
You think I could change even this, make it black?
The handlebars?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you just spray paint that.
No, just
or you just get a new one, yeah.
And then I get the.
I want to get my swing arm powder coated too.
You get new brake. What's it called?
This shit's bent a little bit.
What? It's fine.
Yeah, it still works. Just a little bit.
Just got a little.
Louis Pants made another one.
You know me, you know that I'm about whatever you want it with me. That's a bitch shit, it could go to that level. Ain't squashing dating bitches up, just had to talk with the devil. The only way this shit gon' end, you getting hit with that metal. You know we riding on them. Yeah, we gon' slide on them. We sliding. Gon' drop that bag on them. Make my nigga smash on them. You know we riding on them. Yeah, we gon' slide on them. Gon' drop that bag on them. Make my nigga smash on them. Ride on up, man, you know I never be with it. Hop out, get the bus and all my niggas get the head. We don't give a fuck about any man, shit gon' get it. Beef ain't never squad, shit just die on for a man. Success make these niggas mad, I know how it is. Fame make her ass up for real. These niggas shot my grandma house up with a 22. Spin through that wood, tell them people what I did to you. Biggie and Lil Q ran down on him. Special delivery for Youngboy and went to firing on him. You run around saying this and that about me, nigga. Tell them what up, bitch. You know we step for real, nigga. Know we on that gang shit. Fuck wrong with you. You know me, you know that I'm about whatever you want it with me. That's a bitch shit, it could go to that level. Ain't squashing nothing, bitches up, just had to talk with the devil. The only way this shit gon' end, you getting hit with that metal. You know we riding on them. We riding. Yeah, we gon' slide on them. Slide. Gon' drop that bag on them. That bag. Make my nigga smash on them. You know we riding on them. Yeah, we gon' slide on them. You know we slide. Gon' drop that bag on them. Make my nigga smash on them. Ride go up, man, you knowin' that we with it. Hop out, get the bus and all my niggas get the head. We don't give a fuck by any means, he gon' get it. Beef ain't never squad, shit just died on for a man.
Whoopty, bitch, I'm outside of some movie. Blue cheese, I swear I'm addicted to blue cheese. I gotta stick to this paper like blue sleep. Bitch, I'm by my chicken like it's a two-piece. You can have your bitch back, she a groupie. She just swallow all my kids in a two-seat. Swagged out, from Hillary, bringing them gas out. I still got some racks stuffed in the trap house. Off the 42, I'm blowing her back out. I'm back on my bullshit, spin back with a full clip. They say I'm moving ruthless, and my shooters they shooting. I won't take her, they ruthless. I get the breeze, then it's adios. If I'm with your trees, then she give it though. When I see police, then we gang low. That's another piece, that's another zone. Ice in the VVs, now she down to get treachy. I got all this water on me like Fiji. Bitch, I'm posted up with hats and the sleazies. Smoking the Zaza, they go straight to the Mata. Then I'm up in the chopper, hitting the cha-cha. Open his lata, then he dancing my chata. Smoking the Zaza, they go straight to the Mata. Then I'm up in the chopper, hitting the cha-cha. Then I'm open his lata, then he dancing my chata. Woah, bitch, I'm outside of some movie. Blue cheese, I swear I'm addicted to blue cheese. I gotta stick to this paper like blue sleep. Bitch, I'm by my chicken like it's a two-piece. You can have your bitch back, she a groupie. She just swallow all my kids in a two-seat. Swagged out, familiar, we bringing them gas out. I still got some racks stuffed in the trap house. Off the 42, I'm blowing her back out. I'm back on my bullshit, spin back with a full clip. They say I'm moving ruthless, and my shooters they shooting. I won't take her, they ruthless.
You know, let's say that's my nigga, I made him a million, now fuck it, we all rich. I ain't tryna have babies right now, so we fuck with a rubber, but I got a raw bitch. Know this money bring EB, you probably won't beat me, but bro, we can't be about no small shit. Overseas got the crowd doing my shit. Can't believe that I'm still in apartments. Businessman when they got me in office. Me and dollar deals, I get them all. Me and dollar was serving on Sparsky. All legit, he gon' stay with the Charleston. I got raw, that shit made me a monster. If bitch, she know this, my sister, my mamas. Now they houses as big as they want them. I didn't run up no motherfucking karma. Get a little dumber. Living like we in a race, I might come in first and second, but I won't ever be last. Lately I've been in my bag, but told me don't take my foot off the gas. They give you an inch, gonna take you a mile. I'ma shoot by myself like a 10-up foul. City to city, got girls going wild, and I reach for my chain when I jump in the crowd. Lambo solo out of squad. We finally made it, let's pop us a bottle. I took the lead and let everyone follow. They know I'm running it right to the bank. They want me to ease up, I didn't need women, need breathing room. Sorry, I told them I can't. Heard you a rat, so you know what's gon' happen whenever we catch you. I run with them straight. Leave all the moves I've been making. By the time I get 40, I gotta be one of them greats. Watch how I move with this paper. I know if I slip up one time, they gon' try to come take. Real as it getting, these niggas be faking. I don't want they vibes, so they hand ain't shaking. She on that 42 straight with no chasing. I'm trying to get out of here and go taste it. Yeah, my diamonds be DV. They don't wanna see us on TV unless it's the news. I got something to prove. Yeah, I'm young, but got something to lose. In the street, I done paid all my dues. No extortion, ain't talking about literally. I be walking on beats, is you hearing me? I just pray that my kids be a bigger me. They can't get rid of me. My diamonds be DV. They don't wanna see us on TV unless it's the news. I got something to prove. Yeah, I'm young, but got something to lose. In the street, I done paid all my dues. No extortion, ain't talking about literally. I be walking on beats, is you hearing me? I just pray that my kids be a bigger me. They can't get rid of me. Wake up every day, somebody harassing me. I got rich, they need money, they asking me. I was sitting in jail, they look out for me. Ones who need me, no same ones who doubted me. I been handling my own, they can vouch for me. They'll wait down with me, know that she proud of me. Turn the heat up, ain't nobody hot as me. Everywhere dollars be, that's how I gotta be. I didn't gave her the word, now she not leaving. Said she love me to death, told her stop breathing. He try do what I do, but we not even. I want all of the beef, I am not vegan. Boy, you said it was smoke, nigga, stop speaking. Fence the door, drop the top, I can't stop speeding. Tryna see if this bitch hit the top speed. Hit a bitch from the back, have a knock. Call me baby hoe, I control the rock. If the rap show, I control the block. Yeah, I'm really it, and you niggas not. Got a couple clues, I can draw the top. I done made it, nigga, all these digits coming in. I'm saving for the bigger picture. No one day I need them, might as well get used to me. My biggest fear is ending up where you should be. Yeah, my diamonds be BBs. They don't wanna see us on TV unless it's the news. I got something to prove. Yeah, I'm young, but got something to lose. In the street, I done paid all my dues. No extortion, ain't talking about literally. I be walking on beats, is you hearing me? I just pray that my kids be a big of me. They can't get rid of me. My diamonds be BBs. They don't wanna see us on TV unless it's the news. I got something to prove. Yeah, I'm young, but got something to lose. In the street, I done paid all my dues. No extortion, ain't talking about literally. I be walking on beats, is you hearing me? I just pray that my kids be a big of me. They can't get rid of me.
The riches from rags, I just believe in myself, and somehow I made it out the block. I hit the road, I spend a 20 clip minimum every time I wanna shop. High on my mind, I might just go buy another pair of some shit I already got. I'm getting bags, I'm right in the middle of quarantine, make $10 million on the dot. Every going past, my right pocket full of them sands. I know that I said I would stop.
Major saves. In the slide. In the fucking slide.
Check the receipt, if I see it, I want it, I cop. Shout out GBs, I got some connections in Queens. I get my J's before they drop. Where do I start? All of my albums on charts. All of my customers just start. I had no hope. I was just broke as a joke. I go shopping and I fill my cart. You wouldn't believe me, I just been taking it easy. Pockets they slapping, they cheesy. Made me feel guilty for all the shit I'm receiving. Your actions looking deceiving. Beverly Hills, I told her to steal my sweetest. Told her the country is cleanest. I feel like Mike Jackson when she let me feel like a Jew. I got them Louis V boots and they come with the look at my feet. I got on them Travis Scott thugs. I got fresh.
Oh yeah.
Pieces. I make the brand, then they gon'
Straight to the top.
Take you for whatever you got. My bitches 10. All they in Cabo got villas that take out the block. When I get geek, fuck around, tell her I love her, but I really use it for sex. Let her be free. I ain't about catching no feelings. I'm catching the flight in the jet. She try to leave, you know I'm not taking it easy. Fuck on the friend, she upset. We always smart. My teachers let me try to keep. Give a fuck about passing the test.
Yikes. Something spilled.
I missed the break.
Yeah, I seen. It's alright.
Bro.
Not interrupting. Bike's good?
Yeah.
So I leveled.
Just gotta fix this handlebar.
It's fucked up again?
Nah, it's bent forward. It's not cooking.
Oh, that's fine.
Should start though. Let's fix these handlebars real quick.
You kill switched it?
Huh?
To shut it off, you kill switched it?
Nah, it just shut off.
Some gas fell out when you hit the floor. Yo, shit. This poor thing's taking a fucking beat. Oh, you're bending the bar, you're bending the bar.
Alright, well,